To maximize productivity with your plasma cutting table, a coil feed system provides a one-man operation that reduces material handling. Instead of storing sheets on a rack, then moving to the table, coil stations are there ready to feed your plasma table. Plus, it offers a smaller footprint, thereby saving valuable shop floor space. There are additional advantages to a coil feed system. Scrap is reduced by allowing you to cut only what you need. Per pound steel costs are less, particularly when using 14, 16, and 18 gauge steel. Also, after nesting the fittings on the sheet, the cutting software will generate a sheet cut list, which may consist of several different length sheets. This allows you to feed only what you need for that particular task. For example, when the cutting software calls for a 102-inch sheet, you simply feed out 102 inches versus putting a 10-foot sheet on the table, creating an 18-inch piece of scrap. And productivity and money savings can be increased by adding beading and a second cutting table, allowing 20 feet of cutting surface. The plasma coil feed.